In this video, we're going to answer the question as follows. Should you, as a first-time home buyer in Toronto real estate, buy today with less than 20% down payment, or should you keep saving money until you have a full 20% down payment to avoid paying CMHC mortgage insurance fees? If you'd like the answer to that question, please stay tuned and watch the rest of this video. Hi there, my name is Jim Emilson and I'm the founder of Emilson Group Real Estate at eXp Realty. And in today's video, we're going to talk about something that often first-time buyers in Toronto ask me, namely, should you buy with less than 20% down payment, or should you save and save and save and save until you have a full 20% down payment to save insurance fees and presumably to have a lower mortgage amount? So to answer that question, I'm going to give you this scenario. Let's imagine that your financial situation is as follows. Number one, you have good employment. Number two, you have pretty good credit. And number three, you have $35,000 that can be used as a down payment on a Toronto condo. So you could today purchase a $500,000 condo in Toronto, and you'd have a mortgage of around $465,000 plus the CMHC mortgage fees. But your parents or your friends, or even you yourself, wonder if it's better for you to save up until you have 20% down payment. In order to get to 20% down payment, you're very fiscally responsible and you believe that you can save $1,000 a month. That means that in about 5 years, if you save $1,000 a month, you would have about $100,000. The $35,000 you have today, plus the money that you save over the next 5 years. How do the numbers look for you? Well, let's talk about the Toronto real estate market. First of all, as far as condo appreciation goes, historically, going back many years, condos have gone up in value on average about 7%. That means that a condo that sells today for $500,000 will likely sell next year for about $535,000. And that's a pretty conservative number. It holds true going back many, many years. But let's not use 5% as the annual rate of appreciation. Let's assume that it goes up at 5% per year. So that means that if you bought the condo today for $500,000, you'd have a mortgage today in the approximate range of $465 plus the mortgage insurance fees. If you wait 5 years, based on 5% annual appreciation, you can expect to pay for that same condo $602,000. That means that yes, in 5 years, you're going to have a much bigger down payment of $100,000. But when you apply the down payment against the future value of the condo, you have a mortgage rather, of about $502,000. So you're already far behind. Because you see, if you bought today with $35,000 down payment, and you took into consideration the mortgage payment, the reduced amount that you owe on the mortgage after 5 years, your mortgage in 5 years would be about $402,000. So let's kind of sum it up. Buying today, assuming that appreciation continues in the range of 5% per year, means that in 5 years, you have a condo that's worth $602,000, but you have a mortgage of about $402,000. You got $200,000 in equity. The other approach is to buy later, continue saving up until you have 20% down. So you have $100,000 down. And in 5 years, you owe $502,000 on a condo worth $602,000. Your net worth doubles by buying today with $35,000 down. Now, of course, there are no guarantees about how much real estate will go up or down in value in coming years. We can only work with the historical data. But if you believe, as many do, that Toronto is going to continue to attract interest from buyers all around the world, and that's going to include in the condo sector, well then I think the answer to you is clear. If you've got the money, if you've got the job, if you've got the credit, then as a general rule, the rule is buy Toronto real estate now and then enjoy the appreciation later. If you'd like more information on these numbers, or if you'd like to discuss your financial situation and how you can buy Toronto real estate, please feel free to reach out to us. And as always, please like, subscribe, and hit that bell button down below so that you don't miss any other future content that we provide to you free of charge, all about Toronto real estate. Thanks for watching the video. We'll see you in the next one soon.